Hello darlings, welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel overwhelmed when you see your credit score? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, I will help you understand what a credit score is, why it's crucial for your financial future, and most importantly, how you can improve it fast. So let's get started. Darlings, I need you to grab a pen and a piece of paper and most importantly a cup of coffee because I'm about to drop some actionable golden tips and real life examples to help you take control of your financial destiny. First question you should be asking yourself, what is a credit score? A credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your credit worthiness, essentially how likely you are to repay your debts. The most common scoring models for your credits are FICO and Vantage Score, which range from 300 to 850 points, 300 points being the lowest and 850 points being the highest. The higher your credit score, the more lenders trust you with money. Why does this matter? Well, your credit score influences whether you can get approved for loans, the interest rates you pay, and even your ability to rent an apartment, to buy a house, to buy a car, or sometimes land yourself a better job. Simply put it this way, a good credit score opens up your beautiful world of financial opportunities. Let's talk about why your credit score is so important. When you acquire a great credit score, your loan approval process is easier than someone with lower credit score, meaning you get approved for mortgages, auto loans, or credit cards at a lower interest rates, which saves you a lot of money in the long run. Let's look at your employment and housing. Some employers and landlords check your credit score to determine your reliability. Last but not least, your insurance premiums, mainly your car insurance and housing insurance, can also be affected by your credit score. Other contributing factors to affect your premiums are age, experience, location, etc. Please let me know in the comment section below what factors have contributed in your high or low premiums while acquiring your assets. I'll be happy to learn from you too. Darlings, in essence, your credit score affects nearly every aspect of your financial life. Improving it is a smart move that can pay off in so many ways. Now let's dive into what makes up your credit score. There are 5 key factors that affect your credit score and they total up to 100%. The first factor is your payment history, which is 35%. This is the record of your on-time payments. Sometimes you may incur late or missed payments, which can hurt your credit score significantly. The second factor is your credit utilization, which takes up 30%. This measures how much of available credit you're using. Experts recommend keeping your credit utilization below 30%. The third factor is length of your credit history, which takes up 15%. A longer credit history is beneficial because it shows lenders you've managed credit responsibly over time. This discourages you from closing older credit accounts, which means pick a great credit vendor that you will stick by for a long period of time. My recommendation will always be credit unions. The fourth factor is new credits, which takes up 10%. Opening several new accounts in a short period can be seen as risky to most creditors. The fifth factor will be your credit mix, which takes up 10%. Having variety of credit types like credit cards, loans, or mortgages can boost your score immensely. This is highly recommended since it depicts to the creditors that you can handle multiple credits or loans effectively. Understanding these factors is the first step towards knowing exactly what you need to work on. Before you can improve your score, you need to know where you stand. Thankfully, you can check your credit score for free using tools like Credit Karma, Xperia, or annualreportcredit.com. I recommend checking all these 3 major bureaus, which are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, to make sure that your credit report is accurate. If you spot any errors, dispute them right away. Do not dispute them online. Rather, write them a letter and make sure you send it as a certified mail for easy tracking. Trust me, a small error on your credit report could hold your credit score back. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. How can you improve your credit score fast? Here are some actionable tips. Tip number 1, always pay your bills on time. This is the most crucial factors, and you can only beat this factor by setting up automatic payments or calendar reminders so you never miss a due date. Consistency is the key. The second tip is you have to lower your credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep your utilization below 30%. If your balances are high, try paying them down or consider requesting a credit limit increase with your bank. Small changes can make big differences. Don't close down old accounts. While it might be tempting to close out old credit cards you no longer use, keeping them open will help you lengthen your credit history and boost your credit score. Third tip is you have to diversify your credit mix. If you only have one type of credits, consider adding another. This could be a small personal loan or a secured credit card. Just remember, manage it responsibly. The fifth tip is you have to limit your credit application. Each new credit inquiry can cause a temporary dip on your credit score. Only apply for credit when you truly need it. The sixth tip is dispute inaccuracies on your credit report. Errors can drag down your score. Review your report regularly and file disputes with your credit bureaus if you find out any mistakes. The seventh tip is you have to monitor your progress. Use budgeting and tracking apps to keep an eye on your credit report and spending. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Darlings, this is everything you need to know about understanding your credit score and how to improve it fast. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to help me grow. And please drop a comment below sharing your biggest credit challenge or your success story. Please don't forget to share this video with anyone who could use a boost in their financial journey. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers to your financial freedom. Thank you for watching and bye.